I'm going to show you how to set up your MedusaJS project in under 1 minute. Let's get started. So I'm on the Modo landing page for MedusaJS, infrastructure hosting, and I'm clicking MedusaJS free trial. And after sign up, I get to the Nomodo account where I can click on create new MedusaJS. I connect my GitHub. I click install. All right, now I type test. I choose a provider, region, and deploy now. All right, and it's installing. Once the installation is ready, you receive fully operational MedusaJS project. I will show you details in the next video.